In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ElevenLabs internal server error quickly and safely. If you've been seeing an HTTP 500 error while trying to use ElevenLabs, don't worry, this usually means the problem is on their side, not yours. In most cases, it's caused by a temporary server issue, unexpected maintenance, or a brief outage. So before you start changing anything on your own account, the first thing you want to do is check whether ElevenLabs is actually having a platform-wide problem. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the ElevenLabs status page history at status11labs.io/history. This page shows you whether the service is currently having issues, recent incidents, or maintenance activity. If you see an active incident, that confirms the error is coming from ElevenLabs servers. In that case, the best solution is to wait until the issue is resolved on their end, because there is usually nothing wrong with your account or browser. If the status page shows that everything is operational, then the next step is to refresh your browser properly. A normal refresh is sometimes not enough, so use a hard refresh instead. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On a Mac, you can use Command, Shift, and R. This forces your browser to reload the page without using a stored version from the cache, which can sometimes clear out temporary display issues. After doing that, try loading ElevenLabs again and see if the error disappears. If the page still does not work, close the tab completely and open ElevenLabs in a new browser window. You can also try signing out and signing back in, just to make sure the session is fresh. If you are still getting the same HTTP 500 error after checking the status page and refreshing the browser, then the issue is almost certainly still on ElevenLabs' side, and you may need to wait and try again later. Server errors like this are usually temporary and often resolve without any action from the user, so the main takeaways are simple. First, verify the ElevenLabs status, then use a hard refresh, and if the servers are down, give it some time. I hope this helped you fix the ElevenLabs internal server error. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.